Want me to put her on your lap? No. I thought a little monster. She's a tiny monster. She was scratching my leg. Monster, he'll kill you. Make sure you are safe. Maybe one stand on something. And let me show you something. He's sleeping right now.
Where? Show me.
Let me show you something.
Okay. Let's go. Bye, Schshi.
And you see a big monster.
Big monster.
She's like that size. That size. That size. Right there.
Zeus.
He's very big. He's like that size. That size. If you come down the house, you'll see a sign that says warning killer tortoise stop. Because like that tortoise is very big. It can kill you. Yeah. Last time he hurt me.
Yeah. What he
He
do?
hurt me. He scratched me and blood came out.
Oh wow.
You see what Squishy's doing now?
Okay.
Because he's sleeping.
Okay.
What happened when she
What she eat today?
she ate a lot of stuff.
Zucchini and
She
pumpkin.
ate the whole pumpkin.
Oh, he loves pumpkin.
She's a little girl. She's 7. That big one is a boy. He's very big.
Yeah.
I can feed him. Ah, you can't hear.
Sorry.
This is so cute. He was eating my so cute. Then watch out your tongue. Yeah. Look at him squishy eating.
She's so cute.
She's very tiny. She doesn't even have cute eyes, but she's still cute. She has a cute tummy, right?
Cute tummy, yeah.
When she does this, that means she needs to break it in half.
Yeah.
So it's more easier for her.
Oh, you know her. Thank you.
Choo-ta-dee-da, choo-ta-dee-da, choo-ta-dee-da. Hello, Squishy. That's all you want to eat? That's all you want to eat? Okay.
Sit down. Oh. She's going home, huh?
So you need to have this beat light, the light ball too. You can get it from Petmart. And it's a new house we built her. Yeah, it's very cozy. We put it inside our house. Yeah, because it what's it? This is her little blanket for her tummy, so her tummy doesn't get freezing. Here's how I cook her, because she always likes privacy. There we go, her little house. Susan's house is my mom just covered it. This is his little house. We also need the light because sometimes it gets very cold. So he walks slow every morning. So we need this light.
And cover with blanket, right? On the night.
We cover the blanket. So, and we top, so he can have privacy. He likes shade too. Hi everybody. We built a pool for Zeus. He really likes He's squishy. He's very tiny.
She's a girl, right? Years
He's
old.
6 years old. 6 is very low number, but how come he's that big? He saw my hand. He likes mud, but we don't want him to be dirty and smelly. So we just use water. He's like, I'm gonna get out of here. Watch out! Fingers! He's very strong, so he can carry me. He's a strong boy. Yeah! If you hold on to him, he won't lay down. Like a turtle lay down. Like that. Here's how a turtle will walk on.
But not too long, right?
Not too long.
Cause you don't want to hurt him, right?
I don't want everywhere it got hurt.
Zeus is so strong, right?
That was good. He's eating the whole thing up. He's like, delicious. Yeah, and he's like, chomp, 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 chomp. You're like, I can't. Need help? I can get that off in your mouth. He was trying to cut it. Oh. Almost put my finger off. Oh, he's trying to eat it. Easy. Man, look at that. He just teared it up. Destroy all the flowers, but some people.
Like that.
Die.
So we change all the plant into a pot, right?
Oh, look,
Because Zeus is so powerful.